Eh, I hoping that this will work. I don't know if they work, but I trying to mix up to work. Well, you can see now this is the garbage that I must work my old computer with very old processor, and this is the place where I can see you for now. I hoping that you can come Sarajevo so I can see you real. And we are going to make our first class to how to learn good morning or good day or good afternoon in Bosnian. So, the problem is with pronunciations. This letter is like Jake in okay, it's like Jake in English, but in Bosnia it's like yeah. Okay, and the second letter that is problematic is the R. Okay, in English you don't have R like we do. Bosnian R like Arab R. So R. That is pronunciation. So good morning will be dobro jutro. Dobro jutro. Okay, with these two letters, H and R, you can say like dobro jutro, it's good morning. Dobar dan is good afternoon, and dobro večer is good evening. So, this is the first class. I hoping that we will continue when I find better microphone on better situation. So for now, bye, and I see you soon.